The Tesla Model Y didn't become the world's best-selling electric vehicle by accident. It earned that position by being practical, efficient, and accessible to a wide range of buyers, from tech-focused early adopters to families simply looking for a dependable daily vehicle. With the arrival of the 2026 Model Y refresh, known internally as Juniper, Tesla is making a clear statement that the future of this vehicle is not just about innovation, but about longevity. This update is less about shock and spectacle, and more about refinement, durability, and long-term ownership satisfaction. From the outside, the Model Y Juniper looks familiar, but more confident. Tesla has carefully evolved the design rather than reinventing it. The front end now features a sleek, continuous light bar that modernizes the car's appearance and aligns it with Tesla's newer design language. The rear receives a matching treatment, giving the vehicle a more balanced and upscale look. For long-term owners, this matters because design longevity plays a major role in how a vehicle feels after years of use. A car that still looks current 5 or 7 years later feels like a smarter investment, both emotionally and financially. Tesla also used this redesign as an opportunity to improve aerodynamics. Small changes to body contours, lighting elements, and underbody airflow help reduce drag and improve efficiency. While these updates may not be obvious at a glance, they contribute quietly but consistently to better range and lower energy consumption. Over tens of thousands of miles, even modest efficiency gains can translate into meaningful savings on charging costs and fewer interruptions during long journeys. Inside the cabin, the Juniper refresh focuses heavily on comfort and usability, two factors that define the long-term ownership experience. One of the most noticeable improvements is the reduction in cabin noise. Earlier Model Y versions were often criticized for allowing too much road and wind noise into the cabin, especially at highway speeds. Tesla addressed this with improved acoustic glass, better insulation, and tighter body sealing. The result is a quieter, calmer interior that feels more refined and less tiring during extended drives. Ride quality has also been improved in ways that matter most over time. Tesla reworked the suspension tuning to reduce harshness over rough surfaces while maintaining stability and control. This change may seem subtle during a short test drive, but over years of daily use, it can dramatically affect how enjoyable the vehicle is to live with. Long commutes, uneven city roads, and extended road trips all become less physically demanding when the ride is more composed. Comfort features play a larger role in long-term satisfaction than many buyers initially realize, and the 2026 Model Y reflects that understanding. Ventilated front seats help manage heat in warmer climates, while heated seating continues to support cold-weather comfort. Interior materials feel more premium and durable, designed to resist wear while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. Ambient lighting adds warmth and visual depth, making nighttime driving more relaxing and less clinical. Technology remains central to the Model Y experience, but the Juniper update emphasizes usability rather than novelty. The main touchscreen operates more smoothly, with faster response times and improved connectivity. Rear passengers now benefit from their own display, offering entertainment options and climate control access. For families, this can significantly improve the ownership experience, especially during long trips where passenger comfort becomes just as important as driving performance. One of Tesla's strongest long-term advantages continues to be software. The Juniper Model Y is built to support years of over-the-air updates, allowing the vehicle to evolve without requiring physical upgrades. Features can be refined, efficiency can improve, and new capabilities can be introduced remotely. This approach helps prevent the vehicle from feeling outdated as technology advances, a common problem with traditional cars that rely heavily on hardware-based systems. Efficiency improvements in the 2026 Model Y focus on real-world usability rather than headline numbers. Tesla did not dramatically increase battery size, instead choosing to optimize how energy is used. Better aerodynamics, refined drivetrain behavior, and reduced rolling resistance all contribute to more consistent range performance. For long-term owners, this means more predictable daily driving and fewer surprises during longer trips, which helps build trust in the vehicle over time. Safety and driver assistance remain key pillars of the Model Y's appeal. Enhanced camera coverage and improved sensor integration provide better visibility and awareness, particularly in urban environments and tight parking situations. Tesla's driver assistance systems continue to evolve, and while full autonomy is still a future goal, incremental improvements in safety features can reduce stress, prevent accidents, and potentially lower insurance costs throughout the vehicle's lifespan. Long-term ownership also depends heavily on cost predictability. While the refreshed Model Y may come with a slightly higher upfront price in some markets, Tesla aims to offset this through lower operating expenses. Electric vehicles already benefit from reduced maintenance requirements compared to internal combustion cars, and each refinement in the Juniper update is designed to improve durability and reliability. Over many years, fewer mechanical components and software-driven improvements can significantly reduce ownership costs. Resale value is another important consideration for buyers thinking long-term. A vehicle that remains desirable, efficient, and technologically relevant is more likely to retain value. The Juniper refresh helps position the Model Y as a model that ages gracefully, both in appearance and performance. As competition in the electric SUV segment increases, these refinements may help the Model Y remain competitive in the used market. That said, the Model Y Juniper is not without compromises. Tesla's minimalist interior design continues to rely heavily on touchscreen controls, which may not appeal to everyone over extended use. Some drivers still prefer physical buttons for certain functions, and this remains an area where Tesla's philosophy differs from many competitors. Ride comfort, while improved, may still feel firm compared to more traditional luxury SUVs. Despite these trade-offs, the broader picture is clear. The 2026 Model Y Juniper represents Tesla's shift from rapid experimentation to thoughtful evolution. It reflects a deeper understanding of how people actually live with their vehicles over many years. Rather than chasing dramatic redesigns, Tesla focused on addressing real-world feedback and refining the details that shape daily life behind the wheel. For long-term owners, the significance of the Juniper update lies in how all these changes work together. A quieter cabin, smoother ride, improved efficiency, and future-ready software combine to create a vehicle that feels easier to live with as time goes on. These are not changes that generate instant excitement, but they are the changes that define satisfaction after years of ownership. In the end, the 2026 Model Y Juniper is less about redefining what an electric vehicle can be and more about perfecting what it already is. It signals Tesla's confidence in the Model Y as a long-term cornerstone of its lineup, and for buyers planning to keep their vehicle well into the future, that confidence may be the most reassuring update of all.